Magandang hapon po ng Friday, November 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, November 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 8, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 8, 2024, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for November 8, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, November 8, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.